Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open an Audi Q7 with a dead battery. First, locate the mechanical key hidden within your key fob. This small, often overlooked key is essential for manual entry when the electronic system is unresponsive. Once found, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. A firm turn will manually unlock the door, allowing you to gain access to the vehicle even without any battery power. Now that you are inside, you need to access the battery or jumpstart terminals. Pull the hood release lever, typically found near the driver's footwell, to pop open the hood. Under the hood, locate the designated positive and negative jumpstart terminals. These are often clearly marked. Carefully connect your jumper cables, ensuring the correct polarity to safely jumpstart your vehicle and restore power. If you frequently encounter battery issues, consider investing in a portable jump starter. These devices offer a convenient way to get your car running without needing another vehicle. For long-term battery health, a trickle charger can be invaluable, slowly charging and maintaining the battery's power. Always ensure you are in a well-ventilated area when charging any battery to prevent the buildup of hazardous gases. If your battery consistently dies, it might be time for a replacement. Ensure you choose a new battery that matches your vehicle's specifications for optimal performance. Regularly inspect your battery terminals for any signs of corrosion and clean them as needed to maintain a strong connection. Remember, a healthy battery is key to avoiding these situations. If you're looking for other great deals or need a new pair of socks that will last, check the description below for links to quality products, including darn tough socks with their lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.